welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just got these two new cars, and one is a truck. I just got yesterday because we went to a flea market. It's not like no flea type stuff, but right here I got the BMW i8, which it just came out in Crew 2 like a month ago, but we got it in purple. XXX had one like this, but his was black, but RIP, man. And same for DMX. He didn't have a BMW i8 DMX, but RIP for him. Yeah, so let's do the Ram first. So I'm gonna guess this Ram is like 2019, I would say. 1500. I got it in blue, as you guys could see. The Ram Rebel. The tailgate don't open all the way. One goes like that. Got the Ram in the front. And yeah, and my mom and dad just got an iPhone 12. It's not the Pro or anything, but got the Dodge Ram. I really like this Dodge. I love these lights.
I have to ask them something.
Go ahead.
Alright. Do you guys remember this? Do you guys remember this?
Dodge Ram, yeah.
2500, as strong as our dad's second strongest truck.
I don't think so. Wait, maybe. C4500, but.
No, I mean like actually.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Just go on.
Yep.
So,
I backed up this camper, but before it was actually straight. But yeah, it doesn't matter.
okay, so back to what I was doing. So now let's do the i8.
It's okay, guys.
So we got the side of the i8. I'm just gonna guess 20.
God dang it.
Guess 2018. I love the back of it too. That's the BMW right there. This is BMW i8. Okay. I love the side of this. This thing looks like me, man. Got the front. This is. Hold on, I have to get this not to blur. It's really blurry right now, but I don't know why. It says BMW symbol right there. This is BMW right there. This car looks mean, man. And so got the butterfly doors. Hold up. Get them both flipped up real quick. Okay. And got the butterfly doors. And shut this one real quick. Got that. I love this i8. I realize these cars are really fast. Just letting you know, guys. Actually, when we go camping, it's actually not like, and I think we go camping
In 2 weeks, right?
Hold on.
Okay.
I didn't see anything. Okay, I think it's the, I don't know, but just wait in 2 more weeks. Bye bye.